Welcome to our channel oasiabd. Today we will show you two clean tools available on Amazon. 1. Stanley SL18116P wet, dry vacuum, 6-gallon, 4 horsepower. Black Stanley clean tools make your life easier and more comfortable. Since 1843, Stanley is a well-known brand that focus on R&D, production, and sales of vacuum cleaners. Besides, Stanley is synonymous with quality, reliability, innovation, and value, trusted worldwide for efficiency and dependability. We have produced innovative, high-quality vacuum cleaners, hose, filters, bags, and other accessories too. BLACK+DECKER Random Orbit Sander, 5-inch, BDER 100. About this item: high-performance orbit sander 2.0. Amp corded electric random orbit sander for a swirl-free finish. High efficiency, delivers 12,000 OPM orbits per minute to quickly sand material. Lightweight and compact, fits in tight spaces for more versatile sanding. Dust collection system, keep your workspace free of dust and debris with a built-in dust collection bag. Comfort grip handle, work comfortably and with less fatigue thanks to the comfort grip handle. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos like this. To buy this product, go to Amazon.com.